Hello lovely viewers and welcome to Learning with GGU. Today in this video, I shall discuss with you sample questions and answers on The Weaver Bird by Kofi Awonoor. I will read a set of questions below which there are alternatives for you to choose from. Kindly choose the correct answer for each question. Now before we proceed, I entreat you all to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Let's begin. The Weaver Bird is a dash poem. A. The Weaver Bird is a narrative poem. B. The Weaver Bird is a lyrical poem. C. The Weaver Bird is a dramatic poem. D. The Weaver Bird is a ballad. The answer to this question is A. The Weaver Bird is a narrative poem. The Weaver Bird was able to build its nest on the speaker's only tree because the speaker washed out of A. Indifference, B. Hospitality, C. Sympathy, D. Love. The correct answer to this question is A. The Weaver Bird was able to build its nest on the speaker's only tree because the speaker washed out of indifference. The Weaver Bird built in our house. This extract exemplifies A. Irony, B. Personification, C. Pun, D. Metaphor. The answer to this question is B. The Weaver Bird built in our house exemplifies the literary term personification. And the Weaver Bird returns in the guise of the owner symbolizes the dash of the Weaver Bird. The extract symbolizes A. The anonymity of the Weaver Bird, B. The hypocrisy of the Weaver Bird, C. The generosity of the Weaver Bird, D. The religiosity of the Weaver Bird. The answer to this question is B. And the Weaver Bird returned in the guise of the owner symbolizes the hypocrisy of the Weaver Bird. The weaver's excrement symbolizes A. The loss of the Weaver Bird, B. The harm caused by the Weaver Bird, C. The hypocrisy of the Weaver Bird, D. The power of the Weaver Bird. The answer to this question is B. The weaver's excrement symbolizes the harm caused by the Weaver Bird. The Weaver Bird built in our house. What sound device can we observe in the above extract? A. Consonance, B. Sibilance, C. Alliteration, D. Assonance. The correct answer to this question is C. The sound device in the extract the Weaver Bird built in a house exemplifies alliteration. And the fishes dried their nets by lantern light. This extract exemplifies A. Metaphor, B. Hyperbole, C. Oxymoron, D. Pun. The correct answer to this question is B. And the fishes dried their nets by lantern light exemplifies the literary term hyperbole. The following are themes in Kofi Awonoor's Weaver Bird, except the theme of A. Colonialism, B. Religion, C. Exploitation, D. Corruption. The correct answer to this question is D. The following are themes in Kofi Awonoor's Weaver Bird, except the theme of corruption. They say it came from the West. Who or what is being referred to in this extract? A. The speaker, B. The Weaver Bird, C. The shrines, D. The nests. The answer to this question is B. They in the above extract refers to the Weaver Bird. We look for new homes every day suggests the theme of A. Cultural alienation, B. Religion, C. Colonialism, D. Exploitation. The correct answer to this question is A. We look for new homes every day suggests the theme of cultural alienation.